Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight we're going to do something different. Okay, first I got to ask everybody, if you like Taco Bell, raise your hands. Because I don't like Taco Bell. I think they try to make Mexican food. I guess for fast food it's okay. My wife loves Taco Bell, so every now and then I have to go there and eat there. And the only thing I usually ever get is a chalupa. And you know, there's hardly any meat in the chalupa. It's all lettuce. And anyway, tonight we're going to do my version, but we're going to call it a chicken fajita pita chalupa. You'll see why. Let's go inside. We'll get the ingredients ready and we'll be right back.
Okay, we got red, yellow, and green bell peppers sliced up. We got a medium onion cut in half and sliced. And there you go, all on the plate. We're going to take a chicken breast and cut it into little pieces and take it outside.
Okay, how easy is that, right? It's fajita. You got bell peppers. I'm using green, yellow, and red, and onions. I also have some of my homemade fajita seasoning, and of course, this was only 2 chicken breasts cut up, and that's plenty of meat. And I'm going to use some already made. I'm not making my own dough. We're going to use some fajitas. Let's see, white Greek style pitas for our fajitas. And all right, that's it. Let's get these fajitas going. All right, I've already got the grill heated up, so I'm gonna put down some olive oil and get our chicken going. All right, after I let these cook up just a little bit, then I'm going to add the fajita seasoning. Get it all mixed up well. Add just a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to move this over to the side. The burner is off over here. Lay down a little more oil. Get our veggies on here. I'm going to add a little more fajita seasoning to my veggies. Not too much. Okay, I think we'll throw the dome over these. And we'll get a little water in there for some steam. Okay. We're going to go one more time with some steam. One more time. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to bring our chicken back over. Mix that all together. I don't have a fresh lime, but we're going to put a little bit of lime juice on there. Get that mixed up. Now, once again, I'm going to slide this back over here. Okay. Need to get this cleaned off a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna get some oil down over here. Let that heat up. We can make some chalupa shells. Okay. I'm gonna fry these pita breads. Okay, got some good color on the outside of that. Look, looks good. Okay, let me get these in the taco holder. Well, that one didn't fold real well, did it? Let's get the rest of these made.
Okay, look at this. This is way better than a Taco Bell Chalupa. Look at all the filling you can put in when you make it yourself. Okay, how easy is that? Here is my chicken fajita pita chalupa. The pita bread as the chalupa bread that, you know, you see that kind of the bread that you get at Taco Bell. This is gonna be way better. You could put obviously anything in here. I just put sour cream, no cheese. Nice crema would be good, but I'm just doing it simple. So let's take a bite of this and just see. Oh, I also wanted to mention, I mean, you can put as much stuffing in here as you want. Taco Bell, that's how I feel about it. Anyway, let's take a bite. See how full that is? That first bite was mostly pita on the end, so I'm going to get a bite with the chicken and everything in it. Mmm. Mmm. This is so good. Fried up pita bread. It did stay together on the bottom. It's crunchy. It's fantastic. If you want to attempt making like a chalupa copycat, this would be the way to go. You could put any type of meat inside of them. So good. I may just stay out here and eat. The weather was awesome today. We were overcast, but we were in the low 60s. Barely need this, but it is cooling off. It's, gosh, I think it's probably 6:30. It's still light. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. I hope you like this chicken fajita pita chalupa. Give it a try. You won't be disappointed. The only thing different I would do is I'd add some kind of a cilantro lime crema or something to it, but it's delicious just the way it is. All right, we'll see you next time.